get to hear me now. Know you get stronger when you get older. Just don't show your shoulders when you get older. Things aren't easy, so just believe me now. If you don't keep it cool now, you never make a sound. All the lights will guide the way. If you get to hear me now, all the fears will fade away. If you get to hear me now. If you get to hear me now. If you get to hear me now. The excuses aside, speak out your mind now. And don't let it slide, you're not always right now. Things aren't easy, so just believe me now. Don't learn the hard way, just let me show you how. All the lights will guide the way. If you get to hear me now, all the fears will fade away. If you get to hear me now. 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 If you get to hear me now.
And they come unstuck. And they come unstuck. And they come unstuck. And they come unstuck. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, but she's been living on the higher shelf. And they come unstuck. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide. my whole life just to feel that. Now all these feelings never let me down. 1,000 places everywhere I go, I feel the hearts beating, and even far, this is my home. Oh, we never let me go.